This is my Lekai, guys. My Lekai is already Diwali, so lights are happening, and soon Christmas will happen again. So I know they will not remove these lights. Going to be fun. Okay, thank you. And guys, I have just moved out from my room. I'll be going for Naga Student Union Delhi Diamond Jubilee program, and I'm so excited today because I'm going to meet my dream team, Dreams Unlimited. They are going to perform, and I'm going to meet my ZMS superstar, highest YouTube subscriber, Mr. Zeliang as well, Fresh Talk. So I'm excited already. I'm still going. I'm going to meet my friend, and we'll go together. And then once we go there, whatever we can cover, we'll cover and update again. So stay tuned, guys. My phone also not good. My stomach also not good. So thank you for now, guys. Ah, and looks like they have started, but we're still stuck on heavy traffic. Very heavy.
क्या कर लेगा तू? हाँ, कहाँ से चले आते हो या कहाँ से आ रहे हो? तो मेरा पैसा बोलो फ्रेश, तो मेरा पैसा अरे खलो ना, तो कैसा नहीं देगा फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं जानूंगा क्या कर लेगा खलो ना, तो मेरा पैसा Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, your father, he can come. Even if he's alone. Yeah, I'll take care of it. I'll do that. Yeah. Right now, I'm just outside Sarojini. Yeah. It's so noisy here, and some idiots there quarreling. Yeah. It's my father. Hold on. Keep gradually. जी क्या हुआ? मेरा जाना कहाँ के पैसा देने का इंतजार कर रहा है नहीं देगा चलो बाबा मुझे खुदा करो तो अच्छा भैया कितना हुआ 10 रुपया बस सका दिबे 10 रुपया आ जाए अब दीदी चुप हो जाओ भैया उनकी तरफ से मैं माफी मांगता हूँ हाँ 20 रुपया ये आप रखो 20 रुपया 10 रुपया बस को अगले बार संभाल लो ये बुढ़ा इसलिए मैंने हाथ नहीं उठाया भैया माफ कर दो ये यहाँ पे पहली बार आया है और वो स्क्रू से भी थोड़ा ढीला है इसलिए माफ कर दो तो अस्पताल जाके इलाज करवाओ उसको स्क्रू टाइट करवाओ बाबा वो खुदा पूरी मुझे आप चुप हो गया भैया हो गया आप चले जाओ प्लीज माया करके चले जाओ जाना अब दी भी क्यों सब जगह तो नागा लाइक मिस नहीं ना बाबे बिना इन्हें कोई मालूम नहीं लोग कैसे के झगड़ा करो बिले please behave yourself this is not our place ए इतना कम चला कौन खाएगा वो भी और जगह भी एक्स्ट्रा खाओ लो सब पुलिस में खोल रहे हो चलता है प्लीज करो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हम ओए मुझे लगा जगह तो yes they agree to us yes but not because they respect us but because they are outsiders there and they don't want any trouble from us that's why they do it itu SO Baba tadi there at our place. Wala taka di agni kini ka attitude person. Don't ito same to edi bag ito same attitude to tayo niya ito nakabibi na. Here we are outsiders. We should be respectful. See, we cry about racism, discrimination, mistreatment in the cities, but we don't reflect on our own behavior back at our home, how we treat them. See, we are equally racist, but we don't want to admit that. Baba, now, if you want others to respect you, to treat you good, we must first learn to respect them. There's a saying, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Outsiders inside there talking, my place, his place, their place. We will live together under India. Same currency, same Aadhaar card, same national anthem song. I know we look little different. Some like this, some like this. Food also little different. Hated culture different, but we all India. Papa ki samjha wale Buddhist kura to is like talking to a wall. Shopping करने जैसे आई रही 4 days tomorrow going back your mom morning to evening go shopping me waiting set chocolate होगा a happy wife husband bucket empty. Remember, hungry men always angry men.
You should come to Delhi sometimes, not for shopping. 그거 달리 지금 해서 상대 위에 무쌍도 있는 거. Bye. Honey, it's already dark.
दिन है आपका चश्मा निकालो मुझे शॉपिंग होगा और चलना चाहिए जाओ जल्दी शॉपिंग करो ना क्यों इतना जल्दी आपका टीम हाथ कान सब निकल गए ऐसा आप तो यहाँ भी इंतजार करने के लिए आए हैं ना
और भी जाना था लेकिन फ्लाइट में एक्स्ट्रा लगेज हो जाएगा ना इसलिए नहीं लिया और क्यों कंप्लेन कर रहे हो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर टेकिंग मी आउट इन मोर देन 20 years just
हाँ मैं क्या बोला था Honey, I want to go and meet my son. I want to see India Gate. Lotus Temple, wait for where?
India Gate, Lotus Temple. We can see it next time. Where will it go? It will be here only.
Then Sarojini Market picnic shopping mall where for? You are listening now. बहुत शॉपिंग करने के लिए मन है ना सरोजिनी मार्केट तो आपका कमरे में चलो और नागालैंड नेक्स्ट टाइम दिल्ली जाने के लिए प्लान करो नहीं लेकर जाएगा हम लेकर मिल जाएगा Papa, Mama, Ushi, enough. Imani Kuribi, you guys have flight early morning tomorrow. You guys have to take your bags too or late hours again. my roommate's dad, father, he's also coming today. So I want you guys to meet before you guys go. So,
roommate, what did you think? Tomorrow going back, where you roommate? No see, his face, where?
me and my roommate, we only have 2 rooms. Aro, you guys need space, so I Friday talabor dito for the time being. Itu aja.
And talking about your roommate, I hope it's not a girl.
You can't say it's a boy.
What?
If it's not a girl, then obviously it will be a boy now.
आजकल छुपरा भी बहुत दिखता है
What's his name?
Kakoy ase.
अरे अपनी तका मने लोग ठगे से कुछ नहीं है
Naga mano is to, he's from Manipur.
अभी की मामा वो इतो कौन लोग ठगे जा नीचो लगा मने लोग ठगे भी कोई ना
Aya, to, tay Manipur ba siguro ikaw is there problem?
Hey, which part of Manipur is he from? Is it from Chandil or Utrul? Or is it Tamil Nadu?
चलो बदे तत्सक लगा मने लोग चिंगल नॉलेज वाले हैं तत्सक है नहीं हट टुक starting
Here's your ma. Did something happen?
It's over a long time back. I'm just inquiring because I wanted to know where my son is staying. What are you saying?
ठीक ही निशानिशिदा Your mother Manipur Naga Manipur guy all time lover Yes, I really heard because I know handsome
Mama, Amma broke on is all in the past. And now we're all living our own life. So forget about it now. I will tell you what it is.
Tell the mother that why her heart always affect to okay?
I don't know why we are arguing about this. I just want to know with whom my son is staying and not about Achim.
Oh, kami na nanti legal gaya. Ashim. Ashim. His name coming up from her own mouth. Did you see that?
Papa.
Now, like,
We're
listen to this.
getting late. Let's go. My roommate's father, David, let's go.
Hey, this topic not ending here. Going home, again starting. Let's go. Come.
Doing changing. I can feel the difference in the air with you.
Oh, Delhi का ये condition है. Inhale करने से बीमार लगेगा आपको.
Finally, this guy.
क्यों जाले चाहते हो मुझसे? तेरे बिना बारिश और मोहब्बत दोनों हैं क्या करते हैं फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि बारिश में जिस्म दिख जाता है और मोहब्बत में आंखें Hello. How can you talk of Sapatas? If you come that you don't want the gift, you will be detained with the water. And just tell the man to give the money ready. Yes. No more, no less. And wait for my order. Excuse me? Wait for my order. Excuse me? Yes. Ashim, my name. Ashim. Then you must be Kako's father. Uncle Ashim, right? What uncle? We look the same age. No uncle. Uncle Ashim. Uncle, actually I'm only 27 years old. What can I say? Oh. My appearance and my age doesn't match. And who you? Where my son? Uncle, my name is Son. I'm Kaboy's son. Actually, he's busy. That's why I come to pick you up. What's your name again? Son. You from what country? Uncle, I'm from Namibia. Oh, Africa. Yes, Uncle. Namibia is also part of Africa. For us, all same like all Africa. Uncle, welcome to Delhi. How was your flight? Good. It's flight reached Delhi. But where my son? Busy. Studying? Uncle, actually we are good business partners. So he was interested in some client meeting. That's why I came to pick you up. Huh? What client meeting? I sent him here. UPC coaching. No business. Uncle, actually your son is a good businessman. He's very smart and intelligent man. So why don't you just let him do business? And give up this UPSC coaching. No business. Only UPC exam, IBS officer, big dream. Uncle, that might be your dream. But Kahua might also have another dream. So why don't you just let him pursue it? Right. Why don't you just let him pursue the business dream? No! His dream, my dream, same dream. You do what business? Uncle, we run call center. Call center? Yes, Uncle. We run call center business together. Look, mister. Here you go. You coming from Africa here in India. You trying to scam people. And risking my son. You'll be in a big trouble. No, Uncle, you're getting me wrong. Let me explain. No, explain. Keep the money ready. No more knowledge. You think Uncle foolish? No, Uncle plays very smart. Uncle, please listen to me, The conversation that you had over the phone. It was about the business expansion that is about to be settled in our country, Namibia. Actually, when business exporting our gold. Big business. And how you and my son become friends? Say, Uncle, many years back, I was involved in a fatal accident. And I was planning to take on the road here in Delhi. And even though I brought out stranger, your son got rushed to the hospital. And he even donated his blood. So how can I do any harm to my boy, Uncle? Uncle, actually I owe my life to my boy. And how you start this scam center, call center? Initially I used to run a small center. But when Kahoy joined our business, flourished and exploded, Uncle. That's why I was telling Kahoy is a very good businessman, Uncle. Trust me. 100% John and we are doing business, Uncle. And Uncle, I'm black doesn't mean I cheat people and fraud people. Actually, not all the the Africans are cheap, fraud in Naga. Please trust me. You, me, my son tonight, important meeting at home. Yes, sir, we may have that. But uncle, may I please now have the pleasure of taking you home so that people won't stare at us. Let's go. Suddenly, I also don't like people staring at us like that. I really like it. But uncle, why did you suddenly start to talk like me? You are only talking like me. No, uncle, this is the way I talk normally. Why are you starting talking like me? No. You only hear I am talking like you. No. Then let's go home and shoot it up. But uncle, where is Auntie? You came alone. She's no more. She passed away long back. I'm sorry, uncle. Let's go home. Come, let's go.
Yeah.
Sisters dance, don't you worry, my friend. You know together we can. Yeah, let the whole world know how I represent what unity is and our culture clean. Different people side by side, living side by side, fighting the good fight, keeping peace inside. Notice in the yard, our hearts beat as one. So we stay strong and go the same song. Notice in the yard, our hearts beat as one. So we stay strong under the same sun. छोटे शहर से हूँ लेकिन सपने बड़े बड़े लेकर आया हूँ अपने सपनों को पूरा करने आया हूँ सपनों का शहर दिल्ली में मैं आया हूँ मेरा दिल का शहर तुम लोग से मिलो दूर भी हो इधर आगे एक जैसा रहना है इस प्यार और रहना को मेरा जिंदगी Notice in the yard our hearts beat as one Seven stay strong under the same sun Notice in the yard our hearts beat as one Seven stay strong under the same sun Notice in the yard our hearts beat as one Seven stay strong under the same sun Notice in the yard our hearts beat as one Seven stay strong under the same sun Packing all done?
No, done. Your mother is still doing. Hey, আমি দিল্লিতে আপনি স্টাডি করবলি বুঝাইছিল হ্যাঁ আপনি রেট কানেক্ট করে হয়ে আসছে বুঝলা না I send you here Delhi study not your check it out
Take it out.
And what? Study to Korea no.
Not take it out.
Program damori tayo se Nagas night ko ina. Where all the Nagas come together. Do practice present. I'm practicing for them.
all the Nagas money means who
Nagas from Manipur, Nagas from Arunachal, Nagas from Nagaland. We all come together and showcase our talents. It's a very good event where all of us come together as one. You can number one busy as do it.
Arunachal Nagas from Manipur
Wow. Good. Fuchsia, is there a problem there?
no take it okay
Honey? Honey?
what
Seem to go through Naga. Please come and help me zip this bag.
oh your clothes like mountain house in clothes Atlas Lipi ayam mo poliga ayam
Zero. I want you to find a new place on the ground floor. Carrying this habit back to the third floor isn't a joke. Come on, you African tiger. I know you're strong, yeah? Uncle, welcome to Delhi. I can feel the change. Aqua's roommate. How's your flight? Good, good. In flight. My parents are also here. Please meet them. Ama, Naga. Yung mga roommate, kapoy lang mga bababe, ay nanupulwe. Uncle, they are leaving early morning tomorrow, so they are packing their bags. साथ रहने का भी वादा ना था जानते थे हम याद ना करेंगे तुम लेकिन इतना जल्दी अंदाजा ना था
हम अगर आपसे नहीं मिल पाते ऐसे नहीं कि हम आपका याद नहीं रखते रिश्ते निभाया नहीं चाहती लेकिन जो दिल में बस जाती है वो भुलाया नहीं जाता
20 years 20 years I will see you but you still the same same figure, same size, same smile.
20 years and we still have this with you
Happy times, sad times, lonely times, every time in my
ayah Hanina itu lah itu
You do thinking, coming here thinking in Delhi talking romantic words, and run away. No! Never! She's my wife. You, psych hero. Psych hero means Usha Kapoor. Lead, main hero. Akshay Kumar.
Wait a minute. I'm a little bit confused there. Uncle Ashik, you said that your wife passed away long time back, right? Then what is this romantic thing all about? And what connection do you have with her? And why is this uncontrolled as if it's going on?
Let me explain. She's my wife. He, her, all-time lover. Landing here, meeting and run away. No.
Wait. But if they love one another, then how come you are her husband and not him?
Her father very big.
Her father married you. What in the
She, my wife, we do marry. We do son up. We do coming with it. Son up. He coming suddenly to giving man.
Now I get it. Now I get it. But one thing I don't understand is, what is the problem of Uncle Hashim coming here? He came here to meet his son Kakoi. Because Kakoi is his son, not Sino, right? Then what is the problem there?
Papa Chiga to know. He, she, young time lover, they can meet it. All fire burning out the cake. Me no secure. How my face join to society?
Uncle, I think you are overreacting to this situation. Look, everyone has past lovers. But that doesn't mean they will go back to the one they meet again. Look, you and Auntie are happily married. And Uncle Hashim also has a family. And maybe today they are happy and emotional because they are meeting after a long time. But that doesn't mean Auntie will go back to Uncle Hashim and fall in love around the world again. One thing you need to keep in mind is, you are all not young anymore. I think you need to trust Auntie a little bit.
Yes, that's what I've been trying to tell him.
That's the point. Thank you. For putting some sense in this head. Thank you, Uncle. That's my pleasure.
Hey! But who you? Why you in this house? Why you interfere in family matter?
Uncle. Mama, I think that's enough. Ushen, he's my roommate's Kakoi's friend and business partner, Mr. Tosa. And Uncle. Excuse me, it's Cha. Cha. Yes. Hello, Uncle Hashim, Amma. I'm sorry that things didn't work out between you two in the past. But let's not make things complicated now. We all have our life now to focus on. So, just for tonight, let us all be together, have dinner happily, and say our goodbyes tomorrow, alright? That's a wise decision. You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
Very smart young man. I see your mother in you. Very smart gentleman, my son.
What, my son? He, not your son, my son. Confront it, no, my son.
20 years. You stay with this man. Your father very big decision.
Hey, you insulted me. Uncle insulted her.
Listen.
Football side करो. तानेगा तो. देख कितनी फिट पे तानेगा. उसको बोलो ना यहाँ से चले जाओ करके. बोल नहीं सकते ना.
Oh, Uncle, please calm down, calm down.
What calm down? What calm down? Where's the little mess?
Papa, who's your
You also change your rooming now. उन लोगों के साथ रहने से अच्छा नहीं होगा तो वहाँ लोग बात भी ठीक नहीं है मैं बात भी सही ना हो change now.
Enough! Who's it? Kiliman ni romanya da seo baba apne. This attitude of yours towards others is not acceptable, yeah? What's the problem? Or me staying with Naga, Manipuri Naga, or Arunachali Naga, or Nagaland Naga? If we help and support one another during good and bad times, that's all it matters. That's all it matters. Just because we are divided by borders, religion, politics, doesn't mean we're not brothers and sisters. We should learn to live together in harmony. In fact, we're doing that here. But it is your generation that is creating the gap. Because your understanding of things is not from Mom has suffered a lot just because of this same reason. Let's not make things more complicated for her. We're a small community living in a small place. We should learn to live in unity. Let us build bridges, not walls. Let us raise our voice against corruption. So and so. Let us raise our voice for peace and not violence. Come on. Let us be real Naga in the name of God. Actually, I agree with you. You see, even in our place, forget about this state, country, tribe, but we are known for our continuum. If we are black, then we are all called Africans. Actually, in Africa, we have so many countries. And inside that country, we have different states and different tribes. But people don't know that. For them, they just see the colors. And we don't want it. Actually, we are so proud to be called Africans. And you know what? All this division is just in our head. If we have love and respect for one another, then we won't be able to see any discriminations and divisions. So come. I would say come. Let us love and have respect for one another.
Mày đây đó.
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm making forgive me. I changed from today. Ashim, all problem I start sorry. No all 30 my home. Let's stay happily and we are brothers. It's okay, my friend. And Lucia, I'm so sorry for being with this earlier. I'm always okay, it happens. My friend, this life, your wife. But next life, my wife. My wife. Whole time life, my wife. I will show you. See. I'm so happy that we understand each other now. So, chalo, let's all have dinner together. That's a nice idea. Actually, I really want to have this rumba, kuni, rumja. Ladies please stand on your feet and applause my Dream Champion. Everyone, thank you.
There be feeling sound beyond restless, need to unwind. I guess nothing can last forever, forever. No.